Hey guys, how's it going? So there was some big news with Voyager Digital, and they just purchased a company called Coinify. I think it's a very interesting acquisition, in my opinion. This allows them to be able to allow their customers and possible expansion into Asia and help with the European expansion and into another 150 countries. So this definitely will help Voyager expand the uh, crypto trading app into 150 different countries in the future. So from a acquisition, this makes a lot of sense because Voyager's goal is to go into as many countries as possible to be a worldwide crypto brokerage. And with this acquisition, it definitely helps in a big way. And it also helps them with customer base, bring in more customers. So very interesting acquisition. They paid 5.1 million shares and $50 million in cash. So in a total, they pay about $80 million US. Because on the balance sheet there's about $5.5 million of cash. Um, so I think it's a very interesting acquisition. And then, according to this press release, they won't be able to sell their they won't be able to sell the shares until it gets until the company gets listed on the Nasdaq. So basically, they're saying that we're gonna eventually get listed on the Nasdaq because they are applying for the Nasdaq. At least that's my opinion, because there's like the Nasdaq listing right here. 3 million shares can't be sold until they list on the Nasdaq, or 12 months from the closing date and the date the company lists on the Nasdaq. So very interesting there. Voyager right now stock is not really doing too hot. It is traded on the US side, but on the Canadian side, it seems to be halted. It's not moving, right? It's like it's not moving today. Today, Voyager is not trading on the Canadian side. Today, a holiday on Canada. Maybe that's the reason why. I think it might be a holiday in Canada. Yeah, I think it's a holiday in Canada today. What holiday is it? Today is Civil Heritage Day. Yeah, today's a holiday. Heritage Day in Alberta. So that's the reason why it's not traded on the Canadian side, but on the US side it's traded it's up 23 cents, 1.72%. I feel like the market, on at least in the US side, is not too excited about this news. That's why the stock is not really getting pumped in the on the US side, but you know, this could this gives you guys time to process and figure out, hey, do you think this is a good acquisition? Do you think this is a buying opportunity for Voyager, or do you think that the market will hate this and will dump Voyager stock on Tuesday? The Canadian market, anyways. We'll find out. Only time will tell. I like Voyager. I mean, this is a acquisition that adds to the revenue and uh cash flow, because this apparently, from this press release, this company is cash flow positive. So I like the acquisition. I think it's pretty good, but will rich people like the biggest part? Because rich people, the markets. At least that's my perspective right now. So, uh, yeah, this I know, interesting website, products, payments, handles all needed and accepting payments in virtual currency. Trading solution for wallet providers to process virtual currency. Allows user to deposit their accounts with virtual currency. So this definitely will help, like, let people use their credit cards to buy cryptocurrencies, to maybe add to the Voyager account. I don't know if they can do that right now. I don't really have the access to the Voyager app, so I don't know, but hopefully one day we can see it in Canada. That'll be pretty awesome. Bitcoin right now is a little volatile. It got spiked over the weekend to almost 42K, and now it's pulling back to around 40K. We'll see what happens. We'll see where the market pushes Bitcoin, but Bitcoin ultimately determines the bullishness or bearishness of cryptocurrency. If Bitcoin keeps going up, it will reflect positively on other cryptocurrencies such as Dogecoin, Ethereum, Cardano, XRP. So yeah, VGX token this morning is doing okay. It's up a little bit, not really crashing, kind of not bad, I guess. Anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks. Oh man, I got like minute going, but yeah, it's a little strange today that oil is took a big hit, but yet the stock market is continuing to go higher. This could be a sign. If oil continues to take a hit and keeps going down, that could drag down the entire stock market as a whole. So just be careful. Let's look at some stocks like Hood today. Like I said, you know, from my research, a lot of people hate Robinhood. Like a lot of retail investors hate Robinhood, but yet today Robinhood is up 5.76%, $2.02. So yeah, retail investors don't have any say in the stock market price move, in my opinion. Because if they did, the stock price would crash. But it's not. It's going up. So it's like the opposite of Coinbase. A lot of retail investors love Coinbase, but Coinbase stock crashed, while a lot of retail investors hate Robinhood stock, and it goes up. So it is kind of weird. Let's see what Coin is doing today. Coin is up $2.99, 1.27%. So a lot of retail investors were super excited for Coinbase when it first launched, and it went it was trading at $300+, and then over the course of a month it crashed all the way down to $230. So like I said, retail don't control the market. The market will do what it wants. So anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.